I'm going to break down the Polly Pocket and the reverse Polly Pocket from the front and the back and holding on to the counter. No music so you can hear what my feet are doing. Hop, cross, hop, cross, hop and cross, hop and cross. So there's a little and, there's a little step back from the back. Hop, step, heel, hop, step, heel. With counts. And 1, and 2, and a 3, and a 4. And a 3, and a 4. The counter really helps to get that extra step. You can hold on to the counter and repeat those reverses to really get them down. Adding some arms. Note, I need to cross that second leg more right here. I need to cross it over more than just getting it next to the other leg. I hope you try it.